Have you ever needed to find a friend or family member's location easily? In this guide, you'll learn how to track someone's location on Google Maps legally and for free, but only with their consent. Open the Google Maps app on your phone and make sure you're signed in to your Google account. Tap your profile picture in the top corner, then select Location Sharing from the menu. Tap Share Location with Someone New. Then choose how long you want to share your location, either for 1 hour or until you turn it off manually. Next, select the person you want to share your location with from your contacts list or enter their email manually. Once you send the invite, the other person will receive a notification asking them to approve sharing their location with you. Once they agree, you'll be able to see their location in real time on the map. Always make sure the other person is aware of and agrees to share their location with you. This feature is great for families and friends when meeting up or traveling. Do not use this feature to spy on or track someone without their permission, as that is illegal. And that's how you can easily and legally share and track a location on Google Maps.